Are you ready to unlock your creativity and turn it into a powerful income stream? Let me introduce you to something truly revolutionary, Ghibli AI. This isn't just another AI tool, it's a groundbreaking platform that lets you create stunning, Ghibli-styled art and videos in just seconds. Whether you're a freelancer, a small business owner, a content creator, or someone dreaming of starting a new venture, Ghibli AI is here to transform the way you create and earn. And I've put together a juicy little bonus pack for anyone who grabs this through my link. We're talking resources, shortcuts, and extras that are actually useful, not just fluff. If you like the idea of getting more for your money, and who doesn't, this is definitely the way to go. Okay, let's talk about what makes Ghibli AI so special. Imagine being able to create breathtaking visuals, cinematic videos, anime-inspired images, avatars, and even storytelling clips, all without needing any design or technical skills. Sounds amazing, right? With Ghibli AI, all it takes is a simple text prompt or even a voice command, and you're ready to produce content that captivates your audience. It's fast, it's easy, and it's designed for everyone, no matter your experience level. But here's where it gets even better. Ghibli AI isn't just about creating beautiful content, it's about turning that content into real opportunities. The platform comes with a full commercial license, which means you can monetize everything you create. You can sell your designs on platforms like Fiverr, Etsy, or Instagram, use them to boost your business's marketing, or even start your own Ghibli-inspired design agency. The possibilities are endless, and the earning potential is massive. And unlike other platforms that limit your creativity with usage caps or expensive monthly fees, Ghibli AI offers unlimited usage. That's right, create as much as you want, whenever you want, without worrying about extra costs. Whether you're producing content for your own projects or for clients, you'll never hit a limit. Plus, the platform is cloud-based and super user-friendly, so you can start creating right away, no matter what device you're using. Need a little inspiration to get started? Ghibli AI has you covered with done-for-you templates and viral hooks that make your content stand out. These templates are designed to grab attention and help you create eye-catching visuals that your audience will love. And if you ever get stuck or have questions, their live chat support is there to help you in real time. It's like having a creative partner by your side, 24/7. Now, let's talk about value. For a limited time, you can get Ghibli AI for just $14.95. That's a fraction of its regular price of $97. Think about it, less than $15 to access a tool that can completely transform your creative process and open up new income opportunities. And the best part? There's absolutely no risk. Ghibli AI comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love it, you get your money back, no questions asked. The market for AI-generated content is booming, with projections reaching $600 billion by 2025. Early adopters of Ghibli AI are already making incredible profits, and this is your chance to join them. Whether you're creating for fun, for your business, or to start a new income stream, Ghibli AI is your ticket to success. And let's not forget the magic of Ghibli itself. The enchanting, cinematic style inspired by Studio Ghibli has captured the hearts of millions around the world. Now, you can bring that same magic to your own creations. Whether it's a short video, a stunning image, or a storytelling clip, your audience will be captivated by the unique, artistic quality of your work. So, what are you waiting for? This is your chance to elevate your creativity, explore new opportunities, and turn your passion into profit. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Click that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on more exciting updates. Your journey with Ghibli AI starts now. Let's make magic together.
Lily wandered into the whispering woods, where a strange bird led her past waterfalls and wildflowers. They shared a quiet moment by the water, she wrote. It watched. When the bird flew away, Lily didn't follow. Some stories end in silence, and that was enough.